Hello everyone, welcome to Zhongcan Laser. Zhongcan Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in industrial laser equipment. The company was established in 2020 and covers an area of 2,500 square meters. Zhongcan integrates research and development, production, sales, and service with a complete and scientific quality management system. Its market network covers nearly 30 provinces in China and exports to more than 60 countries and regions in Asia, Europe, North and South America. Zhongcan company's main business scope includes laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, laser marking machines, laser cutting machines, laser engraving machines, and so on. The quality and after-sales service have received feedback from domestic and foreign customers.